for the first time recently, we are seeing a project that has something very unique, very different from what every other project is bringing there, replicating stuffs. Blockchain is like an open book where nothing is hidden. There is an aspect of this transparency that is disturbing, and that is the inability of individuals to have some privacy with regard to some aspect of the information they share. Data ownership protocol has created a solution around this. With their solution, you are able to encrypt your transaction in such a way that some sensitive information will be hidden from the public. Currently, their testnet is on, which you will complete to qualify for their token airdrop come first quarter of 2024. There are 8 steps you have to complete the testnet, during which you will score some points according to how many tasks you completed. You can actually finish this task within 5 minutes. I will now show you how to do this task. Use the DOP link of the person that gave you this video. If you are seeing this video for the first time from me, use the link in the description and I will appreciate that. Accept the terms, type in your email address and continue. You can create a DOP wallet or import an existing wallet. I would recommend you create a new wallet. Choose a password. They will show your 12 phrases. Copy your 12 phrases, store it very well, and set up your wallet. After you have set up your wallet, saved your seed phrases and everything, you might be asked to unlock your wallet to access the site again. So go ahead and put in the password you selected at the beginning and you will be in. Click on Start. Now connect an external wallet. By this, they mean your Airdrop wallet, different from the wallet you just created now. So let me log into my MetaMask wallet and switch your wallet to Sepolia Network. Next, scroll up and begin to do the tasks step by step. They are quite intuitive. The first task is to connect your Twitter, follow on Twitter, then tick I have done this task. Task number 2 is to claim Sepolia it so that you have some gas fee. That one is completed. Task number 3 is to claim test DOP token. The token is now in your wallet. If you want to see the token, you could just copy the contract address, add it to your wallet, MetaMask, you will see it, but I don't need to do that. Next, claim some test USDT and other tokens. Step number 5 is to encrypt the token you want to send. What you are actually doing here is transferring your fund from your MetaMask wallet to DOP wallet for encryption so that the funds will be sent anonymously from your DOP wallet. Select the token you want to encrypt. Let's go for, I will just go with USDT. I will just encrypt 5,000 USDT. Close it up. You have done this task. The next is to now send that money. So choose an account to send to. You could select an account here. There is an account they have here for you, or you could paste any account. Just see this as the receiver of this money, right? And then select that money you have encrypted. In this case, USDT. I will just send like 4,000 to the receiver. Just leave some behind because you are going to decrypt whatever remains and send back to your MetaMask wallet. The 7th step is to decrypt your asset. So let's say there are some funds I didn't send, like the 1000 that is remaining, I will just decrypt it, but I'll just decrypt just C70. Doesn't matter. I have to put my DOP wallet password I set up at the beginning. You have now completed 7 steps. Step number 8 has to do with inviting a minimum of 3 persons to join their platform. When you do that, you will have 100%. You are also allowed to invite more people. So go ahead and grab your link and share with those your friends you have been telling about crypto. Let them get on board and join this airdrop that is upcoming by first quarter next year. I want to thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel 100k crypto and also join us on Telegram where you can communicate with me and other members of our community in real time. I will see you in the next tutorial.